Watch today's video if you want to start a YouTube channel. Today I want to share the things I wish I knew before starting my channel. After this. Welcome to Simple Money Hacks, the #1 channel for practical tips on managing and making money. I am Joyce. As a thank you for getting to 150 subscribers, I want to give back. So my #1 tip for starting a new channel in 2021 is, of course, watch channels, big channels that show you how to get to 1,000 subscribers, but also watch small channels. Why? Small channels are currently going through it. They understand the real struggles. Big channels were once small, but that was a long time ago. YouTube was less competitive and the rules were different. A small channel that is just ahead of you, they understand the struggle that you are going through, and the tips they will give you are more current with reality. A sole focus on big channels could leave you feeling inadequate, overwhelmed, and discouraged. This is because they are so perfect. It is very hard to copy perfect. Don't get me wrong, they deserve their success. YouTube is hard. They practice a lot and their practice has made them perfect. It is hard to copy perfection. Tip #1, start as you are. Remember, Rome was not built in a day and things can only get better. Don't compare yourself, and if you must compare yourself, find your best YouTuber's first ever video. That will leave you inspired. Tip #2, use what you currently have. You have a smartphone, let it be your camera. You have light coming in from the window, let that be your light. I'm going to include a video here showing you how to do just that. The reason why I say this is you want to keep your costs low. You might like YouTube, you may not. What if you've invested so much money and you find out that you don't like doing YouTube? Best to find out first. If you love YouTubing, then splash out. Tip #3, use your strengths. Everyone has strengths. Maybe you're funny, maybe you have some knowledge more than the average person, or maybe you're passionate about some weird stuff. Everyone has something. Bring it out. Tip #4, use attractive thumbnails. Thumbnails are relatively easy to do and they are a quick win. People click on your video even if the video itself is shitty. You kind of have won half the battle. The other part of the battle is that people watch, but at least let's go for the first win. Bright and colorful, attractive thumbnails. Tip #5, keep your subscribers in your mind and come to your channel with the attitude of, what is in it for my subscribers? How can I serve them better? A YouTube channel ideally should either entertain or educate or both. So always look at what's in it for my subscribers rather than what's in it for you. Solve their problems. Tip #6, aim to improve one thing. If your last video was shitty, aim to improve what was shitty about it. The first 34 videos we do as YouTubers are considered practice videos. It is from your 35th video that you start to see improvement in the quality of your recording and editing. Tip #7, this should be easy, is to have fun. Have fun doing your videos. 99% of the best YouTubers on YouTube started out as fun and hobby videos. The reason they were successful is because they were having fun doing their videos. They were just doing things that they normally would do and just recorded themselves doing it. Subscribers like fun people. Are you a fun person? I want to leave you with this one thought, and it's this: done is better than perfect. Don't aim for perfection. Perfection is unreal. Just do it. So, question of the day. What is the one thing holding you back from starting your channel? Share with me in the comments. I would like to know. As you know, I am a new YouTuber. I could have some things to share with you. You can also share with me in the comments. Now, thank you for watching my video today. I hope I have shared one thing that has helped. Like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see more content like this, and I will see you in my next video.